Have you ever wondered why some people can forgive easily, while others hold on to grudges for a lifetime? It's a curious thing, isn't it? Picture this. We've all been in situations where we've been wronged, where we've felt the sting of betrayal or the ache of disappointment. It's a common thread in the tapestry of human relationships. Yet, not everyone handles these situations the same way. Some manage to release their resentment, while others let it fester. So what makes the difference? Why can some let go while others remain stuck in the past? To answer that question, we need to delve into the root of resentment. Picture a garden, flourishing with life. Now imagine a weed, resentment, sprouting up in this garden. Without addressing it, the weed grows, feeding off the negative emotions and begins to strangle the life around it. The bad habits that water this weed are manifold. It could be a failure to communicate, leading to misunderstandings. Or it could be the inability to accept responsibility for our actions, shifting blame instead. Sometimes it's a lack of empathy, failing to see things from another's perspective. These habits over time can damage relationships, turning them into a battlefield of unvoiced grievances and silent grudges. Take, for example, John and Mary, college sweethearts, who drifted apart due to a festering grudge. A small misunderstanding, left unresolved, grew into resentment that eventually pulled them apart. It's clear that these habits are destructive, but how can we break free from them? The key lies in a powerful emotion that we all have within us: compassion. It's the antidote to the poison of resentment and the catalyst for forgiveness. Cultivating compassion towards others, and most importantly, towards ourselves, can break the cycle of resentment that keeps us stuck in past hurts. But how can we do this? First, by acknowledging our own pain and understanding that it's okay to feel hurt. Then, by extending the same understanding to others, realizing that they too are human, capable of making mistakes. This doesn't mean that we excuse their actions, but rather that we see them with a lens of empathy. Secondly, we need to practice kindness, not only towards others but also towards ourselves. This can be as simple as forgiving ourselves for past mistakes or showing understanding when we fail. The benefits of this are far-reaching. Compassion can heal old wounds, strengthen our relationships, and free us from the burden of resentment. Now, a question for you. How can you start showing more compassion in your relationships today? Feel free to leave a comment. By understanding the power of forgiveness and the role compassion can play in healing our relationships, we can start to release the burden of resentment and embrace emotional healing. If this resonates with you, like and subscribe to Holistic Growth on the Go, your channel for comprehensive personal development, growth, and life balance.